बॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेस उर्मिला मातोंडकर, जो कि कश्मीरी बिजनेसमैन एंड मॉडल मोहसिन अख्तर मीर से मैरिड थी, पिछले 8 साल से उन्होंने अब फाइल किया है डिवोर्स। टू नो ऑल द डिटेल्स, स्टे ट्यून्ड एंड वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड। A big news will shock all Urmila Matondkar fans. The actress has reportedly filed for divorce from husband Mohsin Akhtar Mir. The couple was married for 8 years. Fans loved the duo together as they broke norms with their wonderful marriage. This news will definitely break many hearts of the couple who have seen them grow together in love for so many years. So far, the reason is not yet known. As per reports by Hindustan Times, Urmila Matondkar has filed for divorce in a Mumbai court. A source told the portal that the Rangila actress took the decision after careful consideration and decided to call it quits with Mohsin Akhtar Mir. She has already filed for divorce in court. While the reason behind the separation is still not known, the divorce isn't happening on mutual terms. Urmila and Mohsin got married on February 4, 2016. It was an intimate ceremony and the news grabbed a lot of attention as it was an intimate marriage. Not only that, the actress was 10 years older than Mohsin. The duo were together for some time before they decided to tie the knot. Mohsin is a businessman and a model from Kashmir. The duo first met in 2014 at Manish Malhotra's niece's wedding. As Manish indirectly played a key role in the duo meeting each other, the designer was one of the few celebrity guests who were invited to their wedding. Mohsin also worked in several Bollywood movies like It's a Man's World 2009, Luck by Chance 2009, BA Pass 2012 and a few more. However, he eventually decided to follow the business path and reportedly works with Manish Malhotra. So far, neither Urmila nor Mohsin have addressed the divorce news. On Instagram, the actress' last post with him was on June 29, 2023 during Eid. Since then, most of her photos or videos are alone with her pet dog. In the 2018 movie Blackmail, the actress was also the judge of 2022 show DID Supermoms. Well, Bollywood में कई लोगों के डिवोर्स हो चुके हैं तो कईयों के रूमर्स फैल रहे हैं। तो आपको क्या लगता है बॉलीवुड में चल रहे डिवोर्स की लहर के बारे में? Do let us know your views in the comment section below and for more such latest updates, do follow our page.